Rod, thanks for joining InvestorStream after such a busy couple of months for the company. I just want to recap first. You've delivered your third consecutive positive cash flow quarter, introduced a white label version of your screening and verification technology for the likes of Visi, and you've raised $3 million. So by any measure, it's been a fairly productive few months. With new investors on the register, can you tell us why they are backing you and your team?
It's really about the way that we've really positioned the business around stable, predictable and growing annual recurring revenues. We've got a robust technology platform that we continue to invest in, and that's easily integrated into a multitude of HR technology platforms. Our client retention is incredibly high, and the revenue quality of that client base continues to improve. And overall, it's a simple, predictable business, irrespective of wild market conditions. And I think investors latch onto that in a time where you see the economic backdrop and global macro view is a little bit rocky.
Okay, so it looks like you've had a pretty good start to this quarter. What are the main growth drivers you're focused on until, say, the end of the calendar year?
We're a little more far-sighted than that, but there are some immediate objectives. Basically, we've got a lot of headroom for growth across the Australian and New Zealand market, massive opportunity. And it's really about capturing more large and medium enterprise customers such as G4S and Visi that we've announced recently. To do that, what we've first created in the second half was the right fully integrated sales and account service model, and then we expanded that team quite rapidly during the second half of financial year 2019. Our objective is to capture more of that pie organically. There's another lever that we're pulling, and it's this white label initiative. It's a big one for us. The business model that we're using creates a win-win where CVCheck gets faster scaling through accessing new large pools of customers through key partners, and those key partners are in a defined industry space. And the win for them is that they better fill their client base needs around people risk management by using our leading people screening and verification. The white label allows us to get faster scale and allows them to serve their client needs better and build some moat around their business. Another one is the peak bodies approach that we've got, like we have in the charity sector. We won recently the public fundraising regulatory authority, and the early signs there are really encouraging, adding to our ARR. And really it's about just making sure we get sensible, relatively high sales growth without compromising our margins. Due to our people, our customer service model and our technology position, we also see other opportunities for some domestic industry consolidation. And in this, we've got a successful template. In FY17, we acquired, integrated and relaunched our New Zealand business, and we've since doubled its revenue. We're going to be equally prudent in the way that we make these sorts of strategic moves, but we believe we're in a strong position to help with some of the ANZ domestic industry consolidation.
Okay, Rod, so what can we expect from CVCheck in the next couple of months?
Well, as you said, it's been a busy period. We raised some money and we're in a very strong balance sheet position, probably the strongest since my time as CEO. We will be diligently putting those funds to work as our shareholders would expect, and they want to see growth, and that's what we're about delivering. So on our agenda, more organic growth through enterprise wins, leveraging our business through the white label focus, continuing to be very vigilant on our costs without compromising our growth. And really it's just a case of more of the same, but accelerating our annual returning revenue build. And as that continues to track up and we diversify, we're adding a little bit of extra spice through new initiatives that will leverage off our current position. It's the aim of our game.
Fantastic, Rod. I really appreciate your time, and we'll look forward to seeing how things progress over the next couple of months.
Thanks, Alex.